I used to believe I have a complete idea of how to make money or make a living as a music producer before I decided to jump into this field, leaving my day job. I used to believe there are three things I needed to do. Number one, get connected to some good singers and some good songwriters who can eventually give me more projects to work on and eventually give me a chance to build better songs together. Number two, release those songs online. That means Spotify, that means Amazon Music, that means iTunes, etc. And number three, try to get connection with some videographers who can probably shoot a good video for yourself. If not, you can use stock clips and still make your music videos, and there are a lot of them who are performing really outstanding on YouTube. So once Spotify revenue comes in, YouTube revenue comes in, you join them together, give your share to your singer, to your songwriter, and you eventually build an empire, and you are the emperor of that empire, obviously. But now, I'm sure you can possibly imagine what has happened to that belief system of mine, alright? I have lost it completely. I absolutely have lost faith in that. I even tried promoting my songs and I have lost a lot of money that way and never really gained the amount of plays or views on Spotify or YouTube. However, now I happen to know how this really works. A couple of months ago, I started applying that on some of my clients' songs. I'm getting good results. I'm getting a fair share of money, not too much, but it's gonna eventually build up. Might not be an empire, but definitely at least a house with a swimming pool around it. Okay, so first of all, the promotion really doesn't work that way, the way you think it does. I mean, you cannot really run an advertisement campaign on Facebook or Instagram. I'll tell you why that doesn't work at the first place. When someone clicks on your ad and then, let's say, for example, comes to your YouTube video and watches your music video, how YouTube looks at that view is way different than an organic view. If you're watching this video of mine, I haven't run a campaign. You have definitely clicked on it organically. It might have come on your search or somewhere. There is a chance YouTube might show you the next video that I'll probably make. But if I have been running a campaign to bring this video above all other search results and you then clicked on this video, that is not considered as an organic view. That means the next time I upload a video, YouTube is not going to recommend that to you unless you subscribe to my channel, which once again happens very rarely, very rarely. So there is a way this promotion works, let me tell you, okay? And definitely I'm not going to talk about like you need to create like 24 reels per day, like every hour you can upload a reel on Instagram, on YouTube. You can definitely give it a shot. Okay, so how this promotion that I have learned recently, I'm going to propose to you works, let me tell you that. Remember the triangle I talked about? One singer, one songwriter, and a music producer. Now, what you need to do, you need to take the singer, okay? Now remember, this is the face. The music producer or the songwriter are in the faces. This is the face. This person needs to rise if you want to rise, and you gotta make sure that singer really learns the song well to perform it live. Where do you find this audience? You find this audience either online or offline. Online means Instagram or Facebook Live or YouTube Live. Offline means you gotta talk to the organizers, you gotta get yourself a ticket on the stage. Sometimes you might need to pay them money in order to get you promoted over there. Now you gotta go on the stage and you gotta perform the song that you made. This song needs to be already released, if not on YouTube, but at least on the streaming media platforms. That means Spotify, that means Amazon Music, that means iTunes, that means everywhere. And what do you do after performing in front of the live audience? You give them a call to action. Tell those people the call to action. Brother, I want you to go ahead and listen to this song if you want to support me. Tell this, humans connect to humans. Humans do not connect really well to Instagram ads. If they're sponsored, people understand it's an ad. They react differently. Now, if you're a music producer or a songwriter, do not ask your singer to pay all the money if he or she is gonna go and perform on, let's say, 5 or 10 or 15 or 20 or 100 stages. You also take the share of it, okay? Because the moment this person goes and tells somebody to hear, if there are 100 people, out of them, if 2 people are gonna go and listen, you're also gonna get the share of royalty over there. If it blows up, all of you blow up. It's always a chance, but there's a higher chance of this chance to work compared to you running $100 ad on Facebook or Instagram. Because through this you get loyal fans, and this is what's gonna give you the success that you're looking for in the music industry in 2023, 2024, etc. So what do you think? Let us know in the comments, and my name is Abhyuday and you had been watching Music Production Hub.